Our stretch and flex exercise of the week will be basic neck stretches. We will start off with some lateral rotation. So take a seated position where you'll have your shoulders back and chest up. Dip your head down, pulling your chin down towards your sternum, and then rotate your head to the side. You'll hold this stretch as far as you can go for about 15 to 20 seconds per side. Our next stretch will be going through flexion and extension as well as rotation of the cervical spine. You'll move your head around in a circular motion, nice and slow, for about 5 to 7 rotations around the spine.